are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. Well, I'm doing perfectly well, and today I bring to you a breakfast smoothie, that is the apple, beetroot and carrot smoothie. It's going to be lovely, delicious, refreshing. I usually take this smoothie every day in the morning without adding sugar or salt or anything like that, or lemon or anything. It's really good for health, and in this video I'm also going to be sharing the amazing benefits of having this smoothie. So let's get started. Do let me know how this recipe turns out for you guys. So to make the apple, beet and carrot smoothie, I'm going to be taking 1 cup apple, 1 cup carrots roughly chopped, and 1 cup beetroot. So these 3 ingredients are very good for health. They have a lot of benefits. As soon as I finish making the smoothie, I'm going to be telling you the over 20 benefits, health benefits. That means that this smoothie is going to be very good for your health. It's enriched with a lot of vitamins and minerals. So first let's start preparing the smoothie. So in a blender I'm adding in apples, carrots and beet. Now I'm not going to be adding any water or any salt or sugar or honey or lemon. I'm not adding any other ingredient. Just in case if I feel like I need to add just a little bit of water, I'll add in, but not now. So I'm going to blend this into a fine smoothie. So the apple, beetroot and carrot smoothie is completely ready. In between I just added little bit of water, and now I'm going to be serving this lovely apple, beetroot and carrot smoothie. Serve it with the pulp. It's very healthy and very delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. Do try this lovely smoothie recipe. It's yummy, it's refreshing, plus it's very healthy and lovely. So this apple, beet and carrot smoothie has a lot of health benefits. First of all, I'd like to share that with you people. This smoothie contains vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin E and vitamin K. So it's very beneficial for vitamins. Then it contains minerals like folate, zinc, copper, iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and sodium. This is also a cancer killer. It helps with cancer patients like lung cancer, and also helps with problems like kidney issues, liver diseases and much more. It is also a helpful remedy of ulcers, chronic constipation. It also helps with people who want to lose weight. It purifies blood. It controls cholesterol. It's also good for throat infections. It's good for people who have asthma problem or breathing issues. It also strengthens the eye muscles. It boosts hemoglobin. It helps soothe the menstrual pain, especially for ladies. It also controls anemia, and it sharpens memory. And also with this drink, if you drink it every day, your skin will start glowing. So it is a miracle drink. It is best to be taken early in the morning with an empty stomach. So do try this recipe. It is simple, it is easy, and with these measurements I was able to make for 5 people. It serves 5 people. So usually it is always better to take it early in the morning before having any breakfast or before doing anything else. Just take this smoothie, and it's very beneficial for health. So yes, do try this. Make this at home, and hereby I'm not using any lemon juice, sugar, salt or anything like that. So I've just made it just naturally, because the apple and the carrots are already sweet. So hopefully it's going to balance, and as it's good for health, we can compromise on the taste a bit. So that's all.